First offense DUI, typically it's 6 months. And that would be for a court conviction. If it were just a DMV, APS hearing, suspension, and if charges were reduced, or if you won your court case, then you would only have 4 months. That's what the separate DMV suspension or from the DMV hearing would require. If you have a above a 2.0 and you have to do a 9-month school, you're going to have that interlock in at least until you finish the school. So sometimes it's a good idea to get started on the school early if it looks like you're gonna end up getting suspended. And a good DUI lawyer can help you make that evaluation and decision. If it's a multiple offense, you're looking at a minimum of a year, and you're not going to get your full license back until you're done with the DUI school. So same thing there. You're looking at potentially 18 months of having it on until you can get your full license back. But yeah, it's a timing thing. And this is why it's really important to talk with the best DUI lawyer you can find, get the best advice you can find, because that attorney does nothing but DUIs and deals with this all day, every day, and can give you the correct answers. A lot of people that don't do mainly DUI or don't do much DUI, they get their answers. They try and find them on the internet, and you're not always going to find the correct answer there. Or if they're smart, they'll call me.